Government order. This village will be destroyed today. If anyone touches this village, they answer to Hulk first.
Son, our home, our land, everything will be gone.
As long as I stand here, no house will fall.
One Hulk cannot stand above the law.
When the law is blind, Hulk opens its eyes.
If Hulk wins, the village survives.
Now watch what real power looks like.
This land is not for sale!
Stop! This is illegal!
Illegal is what you are, not this village. As long as Hulk stands, this village is safe. Hulk is not done yet. Want part 2? Like, subscribe, comment part 2.